And now, First Warn 5 weather with meteorologist Samara Kokinos.
At 6:43, we are starting with a look at this beautiful sunrise here in Weslaco. Sky 5 showing, oh, it looks like fire in the sky. It's so beautiful. Those orange and yellows out there in the sky. The clouds have a tendency to make your sunrises extra pretty, and of course it's Friday, so it looks even better. Let's take a look at your early morning temperatures. Good morning. It is 77 degrees with a light southeast wind at 3 miles per hour, so not too bad of a start. Now along the coast there have been a few showers moving through, and now we're starting to also see maybe a few sprinkles over southernmost portions of Hidalgo County on the east side, so right around Progreso, and then getting a little bit closer to maybe Blue Town this morning. But overall, a lot of the rain that was along the coast put down a little bit of rain, but nothing substantial out there to cause any major delays out on the roadways. Now, as we look at future track, we start the clock at 6, and it looks like we're going to stay relatively dry, maybe a few sprinkles of rain again in Hidalgo County. But for the most part, I think a lot of this holds off to about 10 or 11 o'clock, starts in the lower valley, makes its way west. And as it does, check out these pockets of heavy rain possible. That's because we have a lot of tropical moisture in the atmosphere. So that could produce some heavy rain in areas that have really poor drainage. You can see that water add up. So expect that to happen. But this is around 1 o'clock this afternoon. Notice that the activity moves from Hidalgo County into Starr County later on today. So Starr County, yeah, you could get a few showers too. Hopefully the coverage will be a little bit more than yesterday. That's what we're anticipating. So those areas that didn't get any rain yesterday may get some rain today. Now by 5 or 6 o'clock, a lot of this will be fading away, maybe even closer to 8. And then overnight looks relatively quiet. Looking at your temperature trend, we'll go from 96 today to 97 tomorrow, 98. We're climbing that temperature scale by Sunday. Nothing record breaking in terms of heat, but it's going to feel like it because of the continued high humidity. But the reason temperatures go back up is because our rain chances are going to dwindle. Let me show you. We have that tropical moisture pumping into the valley, but the rest of Texas is relatively dry. Now it looks like the high resolution future track model for the European model, actually, not the high resolution, this is European, shows that the upper level disturbance will continue to stay over the desert southwest for the next day or so. And that'll keep the door open for those isolated showers or thunderstorms to develop because of this weak disturbance situated to the south. We're still getting enough tropical moisture that there could be a few more showers or thunderstorms before the weekend is over. As we head into next week, notice that the area of high pressure starts to move back to the east, indicating that dry and hot weather returns just in time for the beginning of next week. This is 3 o'clock in the afternoon on Monday. And then here we go. It moves farther east by the middle of the work week. This is Wednesday afternoon, and notice some green starts to pop up here in the valley. This opens the door for that tropical moisture to be ushered into the RGV, giving us a shower and thunderstorm potential yet again by midweek. We're tracking the tropics, and there's not much action in the Gulf. We're nice and quiet other than that just weak disturbance to our south. Giving us that increasing moisture for those showers and thunderstorms. However, in the central Atlantic, check it out, Tropical Depression 4 will continue to make its way west, and as it does, expected to fall apart just north of Puerto Rico over the weekend. So that's something that we'll continue to watch, but the environment's just not conducive for it to really strengthen into anything big. We're looking at our own coastal forecast here. Boaters, you have a light chop on the bay today with southeast winds at 10 to 15 miles per hour. Seas will average 1 to 3 feet. Really not a bad day to be out there. 96 degrees will fall to 76 tonight, and then we're back to 97 tomorrow. 98 with a shower possible by Sunday, and then we turn up the heat and turn down those rain chances. We're mainly dry for Monday, going up to triple digits by Tuesday there with 100 in the forecast. A few showers or thunderstorms will keep temperatures in the mid to upper 90s for Wednesday and Thursday. Overnight lows will stay between 76 and 77 degrees for the next 7 nights. That's your updated First Warn 5 forecast. Don't